Hi! This is just a test of some of the effects, and I figured to make it slightly more interesting, I'm going to try and use Dinotopia, one of my favorite books. So just going to read the preface. A century and a half ago, Sir Richard Owen coined the term Dinosauria to name what he believed to be fearfully great lizards. During that time, since then, the Earth has coughed up new bones faster than paleontologists can raise them up in marble halls. As we crane our necks upwards, young and old, trying to reclothe the bones with muscles and skins in a kind of reverse X-ray vision, we keep asking ourselves, what were they really like? We have moved into this earthly abode without the benefit of meeting the previous tenants. In this instance, the previous tenants had a lease of 150 million years. They must have gotten along well with the landlord. This book here is an odyssey for the eyes. You can check with the nearest 8-year-old. All the dinosaurs are real based on fossil evidence. Whether the rest is real depends upon you. It belongs in the marble hall, not of the museum, but of your imagination, the other side of the mirror, the world that is in the end more true.